Hello everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another tutorial video. Here in this time I would like to share you how to add the clickable file in the Microsoft Excel. So if you would like to know how to do it, and let's get into it. Here in this Microsoft Excel, as usual, I'm still using the Microsoft Excel of 2019. And here I have also prepared the table that contains the owner of the file, like Gabby, Nana, and Shella here. And let's say you have a duty or the task to embed it or input or adding the file here, and you would like to know, and this is the trick, guys. So I will click or put my cursor into the cell of 2, cell C2, I'm sorry, which is the file that belongs to Gabby here. And after that I will going to the insert menu here, then going to the text and click object. And after that, please click this section, Create from File, and browse the file that contains the file that belongs to Gabby here. I will choose this one. And don't forget, as you can see here, there are two sections that you will see or notice here. Then you can click Display as Icon. And if you would like to change the icon, you can just change it, and this only provides you the three icons. Then I will choose the original one. Okay, and I will click OK. And after that, as you can see here, the file is already embedded or already added into this column. And I will do the same for Nana and Jella. I will click Text, Object, and Create from File. Then I will browse the file into the download or another folder that contains your files here. I will click one, display as icon, and OK. Then I will adjust or resize this icon. Make sure that it is already fit into the cell that you have already prepared before. Then the last one is belong to Jella here. I will click text, object, and after that browse and choose the last file. Display as icon and click OK, and I will adjust the size here. And let's say if you are finished with this, then you would like to, let's say, open the file. Then you can just give it double click and open. And it is also depends on the platform that you use for opening the PDF file, or you can also put or adding the clickable file, let's say with the JPEG for the photo or the video, etc. That's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't forget and don't be hesitant to add it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And this video, of course, needs your feedback to get better but day by day. And if you would like to know our another video tutorials, then don't forget to visit and subscribe our channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.